Unbox and check out this espresso maker with me by CASABREWS. Not only is it beautiful with its stainless steel design that goes in any kitchen decor, but it is super easy to use as well. While I unbox it, I'm going to share some of my favorite features with you, like the fact that it has a built-in milk frother, so you can make all of those cafe-style drinks at home. That's things like your macchiatos, lattes, cappuccinos, Americanos, and more. You can make them so easily. Just a couple buttons with this automatic machine. It makes brewing those drinks a breeze. It has a 20 bar Italian pump and a 1350 watt motor, making brewing super easy and getting the perfect extraction in your espresso shots every time. It has a powerful milk frothing system that allows you to create that perfect microfoam to make beautiful latte art if you know how to do it. I'm still trying to learn. It comes with 4 different filters for the portafilter: 1 cup, 2 cup, and a single wall 1 cup, and a single wall 2 cup. They're for different types of espresso and the press that you want. So it also has the ability to change the temperature for brewing. So if you don't like your coffee scalding hot, you can lower it, or if you like it on the hotter side, you can raise it all the way from 92 to 96 degrees Celsius. The portafilter pops in really easily. We're going to make a cup of coffee now. I am using some pre-ground coffee espresso roast that I had already, and you use the tamper that comes with the machine to get the perfect tamp on your coffee puck. So it also has a line inside each of the portafilter filters that shows you the exact spot that you need to have the coffee filled to once it's tamped down. And then, just like any other espresso maker, you're going to pop that portafilter into place, put your mug or cups underneath it, and choose your option. So there's a 1 cup or 2 cup. I'm brewing just a 1 cup this time. I'm not in the mood for any more than that, but you could easily make a double shot as well. It pours out the perfect creamy espresso shot every time. It is so easy to use, and it's almost foolproof. It doesn't take very long to pull the shots. It's all automated, so you don't have to stop it at a certain point. You can adjust the time that it takes to pull the shot if you want it to do a different amount of time. That is adjustable as well. And then the milk frother is super easy to use as well. You just push the steam button and it froths the milk for you for as long as you want. So you can adjust that to your liking as well. And look at that beautiful foamy milk. I used an almond milk, but you could use any type of dairy or non-dairy milk that you want. So not only is this the perfect machine for making your espresso, but it is easy to clean as well. The bottom tray slides out super simply, and you can rinse it and dump it out as needed. The water reservoir is removable on the back, and it holds a massive 73 ounces, so it will be quite a few cups before you run out of water. One thing I do want to point out, it also comes with this cleaning tool for the milk frother wand. If it starts to act up and you're not getting a good steam, you just take this little tool, poke it in the end of that, and clear out any dried milk or something that might be catching and making it have a hard time steaming. The piece comes off really easily and then just screws right back into place. The quality of this machine is phenomenal. It is very sturdy feeling. I love that this piece is removable for that cleaning feature. It is just a phenomenal machine overall. The best part about it, I'm saving money every day because I'm no longer stopping at any of those coffee shops and getting a latte because I can make it at home. So if you're a coffee lover or someone in your life is a coffee lover, this machine is an absolute must.